Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be giving our honest review of AAAfx, the Forex broker. We've been trading and using them for over the past 6 months now, and I think it's about time we give a review and our thoughts and opinions on just how they are overall as a broker, and then also show you their website and show you how to sign up if you're interested in looking for a new broker. So first of all, because AAAfx is a regulated broker, there's a lot of benefits surrounding the topic of safety. First of all, in my experience trading with AAAfx, there has been just that extra layer of reassurance when it comes to feeling safe about your funds. It's just an extra thing you don't have to worry about necessarily. I know some of the other unregulated brokers out there can seem a little sketchy. I've had past bad experiences with some other brokers. As a beginner, when I was first getting into Forex, it was kind of hard to find something like I have today with a lot of the unregulated brokers that I trade with now. Those are more secure and safe, but when you first begin as a beginner, sometimes it can be hard to navigate through the brokers and find which one fits right. So having that regulated broker, just that extra added advantage to your trading, it's something you don't have to worry about, and it will give you a nice, clear mind. So let's dive into the website and let's go over some of the benefits that they have to offer. Okay, so starting things off with the website, welcome. This is the AAAfx website. And as you can see, AAAfx has been around since 2007, so they're more of a credible broker when it comes to the industry of Forex. Now, obviously, the main market they're going to be offering is Forex and crypto. But what's especially good is now over the past little while, crypto has been becoming more and more popular. So it's great to see that they offer crypto, especially for someone like myself. It's great to have a broker that lists several different cryptocurrencies that you can trade with. Obviously, if you come down here, you can see Forex indices, commodities, stocks, and cryptos. My personal favorite to trade is Ethereum right now. And if you love to get into crypto, especially with some leverage, it would be a great idea to sign up with AAAfx, because not only will you get that added security of knowing your money is safe, you can trade crypto and also fund your account with crypto too. So for example, I had some Bitcoin laying around, so I was able to fund my account and then trade into Ethereum with higher leverage. So I'm getting more out of my money rather than just having my money sit in Bitcoin, where it might have only earned maybe 50% on when I got the Bitcoin. I was able to trade Ethereum, which grew by 100%. And not only that, using that extra leverage that can 10x your money with that Bitcoin that you had sitting around. So it's great that they offer crypto, and especially in 2024, it's great to have that. And right now we happen to be going through a nice time in crypto, so that's good to have. All right, so let's take a scroll down here and let's show you some of the benefits that AAAfx has to offer. I know some brokers out there don't offer small enough lot sizes. I've experienced this in the past as a beginner, where I wanted to trade with a smaller amount but wasn't able to because they were only offering high lot sizes and you couldn't trade those micro lots. So we have, first of all, fast execution. This is 100% true. Versus some of the other brokers that I've been with. Sometimes you get a little bit laggier and slow executions on your trade, which doesn't really affect you as much if you're trading long term. But if you like to scalp and use a little bit more faster tradings, market execution is a very important thing. So it's good that you have a broker with reliable, fast market execution. And like I was saying earlier, they have micro lots to 0.01, which is perfect. So if you have a smaller account and you're interested in that, that's another thing to add to your list of reasons why to sign up with AAAfx. And then they have negative balance protection. This is something I haven't experienced yet. I haven't really got to test that out, but they are a regulated broker. If it says it here, it is something they are offering, so it's going to be there. And we can go over the variety of accounts depending on what your budget is like, and depending on the style of trader you are, different accounts are going to be more important to look at. So firstly, let's go over here. So at the top down, you can go to trading and go to account types. This will give you a better look on exactly everything to break down. I'm going to break it down really easily so you don't have to really stare at this too long. But starting out with the first account type, this is ECN. It's pretty standard. Minimum deposit is only going to be $50. I would say if you're a beginner and you're looking just for a nice vanilla account, ECN is going to be where it's at. They have minimal spreads, and that's something that's good. They have good leverage. You want that 500 leverage, especially if you're going to play around with scalping and be using higher lot sizes. And then over here with the base currencies, they have USD, Euro, CAD, and Australian dollar. Minimum lot size for all account types. For all account types, your minimum lot is going to be 0.01. And that just means, you know, if you're trading, let's say USD JPY, and you want to trade something as small as 10 cents per pip, you can trade that size. So you won't have to worry about, you know, if you want to not use as much of your, if you want to trade a smaller size. And then there is no minimum order distance, and everything else is pretty standard for margin call, stop out. They're all same, 70% / 50%. So that's pretty basic. Now, the second thing you really want to pay attention to is commissions. And this is going to depend on the volatility or how often you want to be trading. If you're more of a swing trader, you're going to be trading less. If you're more of a scalper, you're going to be trading more. And every time you place a trade, there's going to be commissions. So depending on what style of trader you might want to have multiple types of accounts or one of these specific kinds of accounts. So there's the zero commission account type, and this is good if you're a scalper because it's the same to ECN. It's very similar, but with ECN, you're going to have more commissions. And as somebody who's going to be a more frequent trader, it's more important to go with that zero account type. That way you're having less commissions per trade. So that's a very valuable thing to pay attention to, is the difference between ECN and zero. Depending on what kind of trader you are, that's going to matter. Now, the thing is with zero, you're going to have bigger spreads. So ECN, you're going to have smaller spreads, but you're going to have commission. So this is good if you're taking swing trades, maybe trading only once a day or a couple times per week. But if you're trading multiple times, it's going to add up over time. So you want to look more towards trading those no commission account types on zero. And that also depends on your style too. Now, if you have the money to afford it, VIP is going to be the more appropriate section if you know that you're going to deposit more, because not only do you have smaller commissions, but the spread is also going to be the same as if you're on an ECN account. So if you know you're going to be trading more than $5,000 and you want to make that deposit, this is where it's going to be at. A VIP account is definitely going to give you an advantage as a trader because you're going to be losing less money on commissions and spreads, rather than if you have one of these accounts, you have to sacrifice either commissions or spreads. Now, one of the great advantages of trading with AAAfx is they also have Islamic accounts. So a part of the Islamic religion, to be able to trade, you cannot have interests that accumulate on positions. So for example, if you are with an account and you trade, you have an open trade that happens to go overnight, you know, past 24 hours, past the market close, the market open, there's going to be a slight fee that's charged. And with an Islamic account, there is no fees on that. So it gives you the parameters to trade in, you know, if you like, if you're Islamic or you have some sort of religious restrictions, this account is for that purpose. And then you have the swap free account, which is going to be the same thing as Islamic. Islamic is swap free and swap free is swap free as well. But obviously Islamic being geared towards if you are part of the Islamic community. And then finally, we have the US Cent account. And this account is going to be pretty much very similar to a ECN account. But the only difference is I'm almost certain that in terms of your account balance is going to be measured in cents rather than the dollar amount. Now this is good if you want to have that extra advantage of seeing the cent amount. Now, a lot of people seem to have the stigma, and a lot of people seem to think that signing up with a regulated broker involves, you know, a big process. Now, obviously signing up with a unregulated broker can be quick. Signing up with a regulated broker can be just as quick and have that extra layer of security. So why not do that? So you can place your first trade within a quick amount of time. So it's very simple. You can register, sign up using your email, and you go through the KYC process, uploading your identification documents, and they can verify that within a quick amount of time, be able to deposit with crypto, which is super fast, and be trading within a quick amount of time. So I'm going to show you just how fast to do it. So it's super simple and fast to sign up with AAAfx. So you just come over to the top right here, join now. We're going to enter an email. Select your country of residence, and then you're going to create a password. Rules, register, and then it's going to send a one-time password to your email. You're just going to copy and paste that one-time password that was sent to the email. To copy it, paste it in there, and then just like that, you have an account registered. But then to successfully create your live account and start trading, you need to go through the KYC process. It's super simple and easy to do, and we're going to do that here today. So we want to make a live account. So we'll click live account, and we're going to add all our information in here. This is where you're going to upload your identity. And then once it asks you, you can select which country from, type of document you want to upload. So we are going to do a driver's license. Then we have the file saved. So we're just going to upload the front of it and the back of it and click next. Okay, so now I've uploaded my documents. I'm just going to hit next, and then they're going to process the data. Okay, now, so I just uploaded my documents, but they've been rejected by an automatic verification process. So some of you might run into this issue. Perfect that this is coming up. So now we are going to, a ticket has been created, and then we can manually re-upload it, and we can do that within the ticket. So we're going to click view ticket. Your application is currently under review. We'll do our best to verify your account. And if your application is denied, we will notify you the reason within 24 hours. So it could take less than 1 hour, but it could take up more than 24 hours. So we will be back when we are verified, and we'll let you know just how long it took. Okay, so I ended up getting my account approved and my ID documents verified. Actually, AAAfx ended up calling me after creating my account here, and they helped me get my ID documents verified super quick. It was like within the hour they called me. So now when we're back on the AAAfx page, we need to finish our account creation process. So now when it comes to the final page, it's going to, this is where you're going to create your live account and you can get it funded. So you pick your platform. I'm using MetaTrader 4. Account type that we want to use. Just for the video, we're just going to go with ECN. Leverage, we want to go with we can use up to 500 leverage. So why not? Let's use 500 leverage on this account. And then base currency, let's go with USD. We're just going to create our password. You're going to hit create account, and boom, here we go. We have our live account. Our page is ready, and we are going to go ahead. We're going to go ahead and fund our account now. So we just go here, we click fund. This is the trading account that we want to use. This is our live MetaTrader account. Just going to hit select, and then deposit type. Today we are going to use, let's use Ethereum. So we are going to use cryptocurrency. We're going to send Ethereum. Bitcoin has probably a little bit higher fees and it's a little bit slower. So I like to use Ethereum. Sometimes Ethereum can have pretty high fees when you're sending it from your wallet. So just be aware of that as well. So we are going to use Ethereum. Processing time, 30 minutes. I think it will probably be faster than that. Just do $100. And then what it's going to do is it's going to create a wallet. It's going to give you a Ethereum wallet address. You're going to copy this and send your Ethereum to this wallet address. And then once it's sent, will be processed. You're good to go. Okay, now I've successfully sent my $100 to that wallet address. We're going to hit proceed now. I already hit proceed earlier. So I think now we just wait. We're going to time it and see how long it's going to take. And we'll give you an accurate timing on that. And yeah, so now we just wait for our deposit and then we can see how long that's going to take. Okay, and there you have it. We have our deposit amount, $100 and 46 cents USD. The deposit maybe took, I think, 10 minutes to deliver. And just like that, super fast, you can have your account up and running very quickly, have your deposit deposit it really quickly and get trading that quickly. This simple. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to show you now on my MetaTrader. Just like that, we have our account funded with $100.47. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and that was my quick review and tutorial on AAAfx, and take it easy.